Good morning! Today I'm off in search of some impressive wood. The challenge, how many giants can I do in a day? Where am I off to? Mandurah in Western Australia. So, buckle up and join me for the ride. Right, bike parked up. I'm on hunt for my first giant of the day. I'm here at the Peel Inlet in a place called Coodanup, and it's spectacular. Well, I've found my first giant of the day. Meet Yaburgert. He's resting after doing a little bit of crabbing. Isn't he handsome? These rocks represent the net that he cast out, and he's waiting for the tide to come in to collect his crabs. Look at this behind me, it's the Peel Inlet. This chap's campsite has got the best view. Well, this is obviously the best place in WA to get crabs. Anyway, I'm off to find giant number 2. There's a couple of giants on the coast, I believe, and it's going to make for a beautiful ride. So I'm heading there next. The next giant has probably the best views in WA. Behind me is the Santi Ikto giant. He's in the suburb of Halls Head. Come on, it's only a short walk. And here he is, the Santi Ikto giant. He's a pretty impressive specimen, don't you think? Well, see ya, Santi Ikto. Nice knowing you. Oh, I've got to learn a driver in front. Oh no, roundabout. He's struggling a little bit here. Oh gosh, poor chap. Bunny hopping his way across. Oh, across the roundabout. Right. Oh, here he is again. Oh no, we've got a car reversing out with a boat by the looks of things here. Being waved on. Come on, you can do it, mate. Oh, Poor Joe. No, he stalled it again. Got Granny in the back watching. That probably doesn't help. No doubt his girlfriend's in there too. Oh dear. I remember how hard this was. Clutch control, poor chap. Oh, he's getting a bit of a queue behind him. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it looks like Dad's coming out to rescue him. Well done, Dad. He must be so embarrassed. I remember what that was like. It's probably his first time on the road by the looks of things. And off we go. A bit more practice needed, I think. Well, I'm heading to the next giant, which is called Seba's Song. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind has really picked up. Now I'm in a place called Port Bouvard, but it's locally known as Port Blowhard. And they're not wrong. Well, this giant is named Seba's Song. She, or he, I think it's a he, is holding a trumpet in his right hand and he's looking out to sea. Apparently he's trying to send the tide back to the ocean to start the water cycle all over again. Hard to see really from this angle, better off on a boat, but not going out in this today. It's blowing a gale. Male, female, who knows, but he's got the horn. Whew. So despite the fact it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's super hot, so I'm enjoying a bit of breeze and ventilating myself as I go along here. It's great. Well, that was a bit of fun, enjoyed that. The only downside that it was so windy, I put my helmet on a rock, which was probably a bad idea, but anyway, I went to take a photo. When I came back, the helmet had rolled down the rocks and now it's covered in scratches and dents and whatever else. So my nice shiny red helmet is now got pot marks all over it, but hey ho, still been a good day. So I think I'll head to Falcon, which is just on the outskirts of Mandurah. It's a beautiful bay and I'm really tempted to have a bit of a dip in the ocean just to cool off a sec. Port Bouvard is a really smart area. There's some beautiful canal side properties here. I'm not really prepared to have my bikini with me, but I'll have to improvise. How hard can it be? Well, I didn't come prepared to go to the beach today, but it's been such a hot and sweaty day in the old leathers. I just can't resist. Anyway, hasn't stopped me in the past. I've got my red thong. That'll have to do. It's more than I normally wear. I'm trying to steel my nerve to go in. I know I'm a bit spoilt, but it's only 29 degrees today and it feels mighty cold. Woo! Well, there's nothing for it. I'm just going to have to be brave and go in. Wish me luck. That was nice and refreshing. I'm Bonnie English. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time.